Whoa! Welcome back to the studio, Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing. Kapow! And we are back for yet another studio update slash roll call, and the most important part, sticker giveaway. And today's a special one, so stay tuned and pay attention. So yes, a quick update in the studio. I know I've been kind of a little bit far in distance. I'm trying to get back in there. I've got so much footage on the camera that's got to be edited down that we're going to slap onto the tube. So we've got like months of stuff just on the camera. I'm not going away. I'm here for the long haul. Just you wait. And please be patient. Yeah, you may notice in the background, the drum skin is done, just waiting for a pickup, and I'm quite pleased with that. Maybe I'll flip you around and we'll get in and you can see a little bit closer. What do you think? I thought so. I can read your minds. Alright, so yes, a drum skin for the punk band Downway. 25 years and counting. And this is basically a representation of their album cover, their latest and greatest, Last Chance for More Regrets. Gotta love the title. And give them a listen. Great punk band, one of my faves for sure. And as you can see, we played with the natural hole in the drum skin and turned it into the hole represented on the album cover. Smart, some might say. Brilliant, others might suggest. I just think I'm a genius, so I'm hoping you agree. Yeah, I thought so. Alright, and as you can see, it's not an exact representation. We played around with it, played with perspective, made the little dude a little bigger, but we got the important elements in there, and I'm quite pleased. Again, with the drum skin being round and the album cover being square, we had to move around some things, but again, quite happy with the end result. And that's all that matters. Full tutorial on how to paint a drum skin. Now, we weren't using the water-based, we were using the one-shot paints. What? You can spray one-shot paints through an airbrush? You betcha. And you can get results just like this. Aw, isn't he cute? So, full tutorial, stay tuned for that. I think we're also going to spin that into a quick music video, something new for the channel. Stay tuned for that. And of course, Lumalore. Plenty more to come with the Lumalore. We've got a full decker that needs to be well decked out. Lots to do on that one. I don't think I'm gonna be recording the entire process. I've got enough Lumalore videos on the camera that just need to be edited down. So for this one, it's gonna be more of a surprise reveal when she's all said and done. Ooh, ah. And what else is in the studio? Well, we had a little boo-boo. Nothing is perfect in life, and as you can see, we had some peeling in the clear. This is a plastic helmet, so it has a lot of flex to it. With that being said, it's very important to use a flex agent in your clears. And as I said, nothing is perfect, aside from that tiger roar. And the flex agent doesn't always work as it should. As it didn't right there, and a little bit right there. So we're going to go ahead and fix this helmet up so that she can get out there and fly another day. Did I mention this is for a Canadian ski jumper? Pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool, but we gotta have her representing the country with style. Can't have our athletes looking shabby. No, no, no. That will not do. So we're gonna fix that one up. May record that for the channel, maybe not. We'll see. Sometimes it's good to show you how things are fixed. We'll see. No promises at this point. Lots to do still. And yes, probably the part y'all been waiting for. Let me flip you around once more. Here I am. So yes, sticker roll call giveaway. Another 500 or so have jumped on board in the BloodShot army, bringing our grand total to over 15,000 subscribers. Never would have thunk in a million years that this channel would have done what it's done, doing what it's doing, and the support and the love coming from you guys is always appreciated, so I gotta kick some back in the form of stickers. Yes, 5 lucky commenters will be chosen at random to win one of the big BloodShot Army stickers, 2 of the medium ones, and one of the teeny tiny BloodShot airbrushing stickers made for RC cars, but you can stick it wherever you damn well choose. And all you gotta do is comment down below if you'd like. Throw some info in there for me. Let me know what brought you to this channel. Let me know what you'd like to learn. Let me know what your favorite videos have been so far. Man, we've been at it for a couple years now. Got quite an arsenal of videos. Which is your favorite? I'd love to know. So I did promise you a super special giveaway. And let me throw you up on the tripod so I can get 2 hands in on this one. There we go. That's better. 2 hands. Great for such things as nunchucking. Not so much. I'm gonna probably knock this camera right off this tripod if I keep doing that. So we'll just put those down. And grab one of these. A super cute, super tiny. When I say super tiny, this thing is super tiny. This is made for like a 2 or a 3-year-old. A buddy of mine ordered this in for his kid. Well, wouldn't you know it, way too small. But Spreadshirt being what they are, and it's a good company. If you choose to order some merch, definitely recommend going through the Spreadshirt. Little bit of shameless self-promotion. But yes, if you want, if there is a 2 to 4-year-old in your life who you think would enjoy a brand new BloodShot Airbrushing Air Force hoodie, throw a comment down below. Tell me that you would like to win the hoodie, and you will be entered into this contest. If you don't say anything about the hoodie, you will not be entered. So the comments that say, I want a hoodie for my little dude, will get a hoodie. Will be entered in to a contest for a giveaway for one. I've only got one to give away at this point. But hey, it's free, and we can spread the love. Tell the world the BloodShot Army is here to spray and start 'em young, is what I always say. So throw it down in the comments. Let me know if you would like to win this, and you will be entered into the draw for the hoodie. Regardless of if you want the hoodie or not, you will be entered into the draw for the stickers. So do remember, hoodie, I want hoodie if you want the hoodie, and just say anything if you want stickers. And regardless, you're entered in for the stickers should you comment on this video. Check back in 24 hours. I know I don't let these contests run too long because the comments get way too wild. 24 hours. Check back. See if your name is on the winners section in the description section, or on my comment in the comment section, and I will also comment on the individual winners who did win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, and I'll tell you if you want a sticker or if you're the lucky one who is taking home a BloodShot Army hoodie. Shipped to your door on my dime to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Couldn't do it without you guys. Otherwise, just some crazy dude waving his hands in some nunchucks in the studio, driving all the neighbors mad. Alright, so that's it for this one. Be sure to drop a comment if you'd like to win. Check back in 24 hours, and I'm just repeating myself. Yeah, lots of Lumorlore to come, lots of videos to come, full tutorials, a lot of short videos. I'm kind of trying to throw a few of those on the channel, just to kind of fill the dead space. You know, some reveals of some projects that I've done. May not record the whole process, but I'll show you the end result. It's something better than none. And you know how it goes. Like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers. And feel free to slide on by the BloodShot Airbrushing webpage to pick up the French Curve Stencils, set of 6 for only $5. You can also swing over to the BloodShot Airbrushing Spreadshirt merch page and pick yourself up a BloodShot Army uniform. We've got the BloodShot Air Force as well. And don't forget, guys, we've got the airbrushing hacks, airbrushing for beginners, and plenty of tutorials. Tell the world the BloodShot Army is here to spray.